What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, aka Rope God.
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah. And today I'm coming at y'all with another reaction video. And this reaction video, man, is gonna be dope. You know what I'm saying? You guys like when I react to my old videos. It's kind of like an update, but I react to my own videos. Who does that? So you know you the GOAT, bro, when you react to your own videos, my nigga. No, man, but I like that you guys recommend shit like that. And I'm liking that y'all loving that. Y'all give me good feedback on it. I'm gonna keep doing it. You dig? That's what I'm here for. Anyways, man, we finna react to an old video. And this right here is very important, though, too, as well. I'm telling you, it's very important. Everybody want those dope-ass connections. You feel me? You want that whole spin around. You want that spin around. You want everything to connect perfectly. That's what make your waves stand out. That's what make you have unique waves. You feel me? Also, you know, when your waves cricket and shit, it kind of look, we don't want cricket waves, you feel me? So this is basically a video I did in 2016. It's old. I like doing it to old shit because I haven't saw it in so long. And I can look at myself and be like, damn, nigga, you was fat and ugly as hell. No, but it's an old video though. You got 92k views. That's dope. How to fix Cricut 360 waves and better connections for beginners and elite wavers. We about to get straight into this shit, man. Keep it locked.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave.
Okay, gang. So, how to fix Cricut waves. First off, you want to have your waves. You don't want your waves to be Cricut, bro. If your waves is Cricut, then it's not gonna look right. You feel me? It's like wearing your shoes on the wrong feet. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna look right. You feel me? It's like wearing big ass baggy clothes when you skinny as fuck. It's not gonna look right. You feel me? It's like wearing tight ass clothes when you big as fuck. It ain't gonna look right. Anyways, man. So that's basically what it is, man. You want the things to go. Your waves to be straight. You want them to, you want to eliminate forks. You want the whole spin around. You feel me? So it's basically how to fix Cricut waves and better your connections. They go hand in hand, basically. So let's get straight into this.
And drop.
Let's turn this shit up.
Perfect. Hi, I'm Cord Hosen, and I use Wix.com
to watch the whole ad.
Websites for my business.
Nah, I skipped it.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, aka Rope God. Rope God. Rope God. Yeah. And today, I'm coming at y'all with a video on how to better your connections and how to straighten up them Cricut waves. How to straighten them out, you know. I'm pretty sure you guys have like forks, right? And y'all like, man, I've been doing everything right. Why haven't I seen any progress? You know what I'm saying? Why them waves are still Cricut? Why do I have a lot of forks? And also why my connections is not straight? You know, it's hard to get perfect connections.
Facts.
But you just gotta do a couple of things, and I'm gonna explain to you guys exactly what I did to straighten out my waves to get these type of connections that I'm about to show y'all right now.
Hey. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. We working. Oh. Ugh. Shit's looking nasty, bro. Second crown was closed and all that. I'm working to get back though. We working to
so
get
keep
back.
it locked. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. I'm so. Alright, YouTube, so first off, to better off your connections, you want to try my woofing connection method.
Yeah.
My woofing connection method. You know, you always want to woof anyway, so pretty much you probably woofing right now. So if you woofing right now, do that.
Okay, my woofing connection method is a method I came out with a while ago. To see the whole like full video on how to do it and what it is, I make sure I link that in the description box below. You click that link and then direct you to the video. You guys can check that out. It's a good method.
And then also you could do this stuff I'm about to explain to you guys right now, like every day though. You know, if you haven't saw that with the connection method video, then I'll make sure I link that in the description box below. I always tell y'all to check out my description box. Alright? Don't sleep on the description box, man. Check it out. If y'all know what the description box is, it's down below by the subscribe button. It's by there. You know what I'm saying? Just click that little arrow and it'll show you all type of stuff that I put below there.
Facts. Don't sleep on that description box.
On there. Also, I put my last 2 other videos I just did. I'll put that in the link in the description box below too as well. Check.
Dang.
I'll put that in the link in the description box below. Chip method. You feel me? Also my whiffing definition method of work too. I'll link both of those in the description box below. But the main thing is that you gotta sleep on is patience. You know, that's the main thing. You're not gonna get waves, perfect waves. Take a long time, okay?
Yeah,
it takes a long time. I had this pattern for 2 years almost. I'm going on 2 years with this pattern. You know, it took a long time to perfect this pattern. But also I shifted though, so it takes longer to shift. So to get a complete pattern, like perfect connections with just like,
hold on, bro.
Like a complete pattern.
Did you see? Bro, y'all gotta give me props, bro. Like, come on, I shifted from the 720s and I just came for the 360s, busting their ass out though, like, bam, 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 real fast though. Did you see this right here, bro? Like, that's when I was shifting. You feel me? My waves were all the way to 360, like pattern yet. It was just still, it's crazy, bro. If you got, I did a video back in the days on how to shift from one pattern to another pattern, but you know what? That gave me an idea to do an update on that. I'm gonna do an update on that for you guys. How to shift from one pattern to another pattern. Y'all want that? I got y'all.
Like perfect connections with just like I say you can count your forks on one hand. I say it take about a year for that. You know, dang, something in my eye. But yeah, I say it take about a year for that. Patience, and I told you already. Y'all already know this. Consistency.
Facts.
Consistency. You can't rush nothing. You know what I'm saying? You can't rush perfection. So it's going to take time. This to get waves like this, man. It takes a lot of time, a lot of hard work. You know, you don't see regular people who's dipping like this on a regular. You know what I'm saying? You don't go to the grocery store, or you don't go to school, or see somebody who's dipping like perfect.
Hell no. Hell no.
It takes time for this. So those are 2 things that's very important. Patience.
PB gang, we ropey around here, baby.
Also, you want to make sure that your angles is on point. Angles. Angles is going to avoid forks. You know, angles is going to avoid forks because we brushing the same way each time.
Come on, PB, with all these damn ads, man.
Let's go.
I'm doing what y'all be saying. That's what y'all be saying. Come on, man, with all these damn ads, man. Shit. What's up, how you blasted?
Every angle is the same way. Then it's only common sense though. Then your waves. So basically, you brushing how you want your waves to go. You brushing the direction you want your waves to go.
Use your imagination,
it's
baby.
Easy.
That's it.
You gotta use a mirror for that though. Use a mirror, all right? You see this mirror? Use a mirror. Use a mirror. Use it. Use it. That's important because you might think you know your angles by heart, but you don't. You gotta learn your hair. Learning your hair is very important. I could tell you this, I could tell you that, but only you really know your hair. So, you know, I had to find out all these things myself. You know, I didn't really reach out for help like that. I had to find out and figure everything out myself.
Real tough.
That's the best way to do. I watched videos on YouTube and all that for help. That helped me too. But also, if I feel like, you know, you gotta watch the same type of waver that the same type of hair texture you have.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? For example, coarse-hair wavers, I'm pretty sure you guys all watch me because I have coarse hair, and you know, most likely my method is gonna work for you. Whereas if you're watching a straight hair waver or whatever, you know what I'm saying?
The methods are different.
Coarse hair wavers. That's what I was doing. You know? So yeah, basically angles, man. So if you brushing right here, this angle right here. Also, you guys can check out my 8-angle breakdown video. I got an 8-angle breakdown video. I'll leave that in the description.
Y'all already know about the 8-angle breakdown video. It was going on 3 years. You know, every year I do it. I do an update for that video, and I did the 3rd update this year. If you guys didn't see that video, I'll link that in the description box as well. So you guys check out the 8 angle breakdown. It will help you guys with you guys angles. Because all this is basically is, I'm saying, to sum it up all in one, we're gonna keep it going though. But summing up all in one, all I'm saying is angles is gonna better your connections. Angles, combing angles, brushing angles, all that shit it's gonna better your connection. You gotta use that mirror to know what the hell you're doing. You can't brush out the mirror. That's all it is basically. And that's how you're gonna fix your you're gonna break forks, which is gonna better your connections, and that's how you're gonna straighten out them cricket waves. You feel me?
Box below too. 8 angle breakdown video, man. I'm showing you guys the angles. It's 8 angles that I brush my hair. 8 angles that I brush my whole full pattern.
Right.
So you want to make sure what I mean by angles is like every time.
Pay close attention.
Boom. Every time. Boom. Every time. Boom. Every time. Boom. Back here. Every time you one stroke, this is the same way every time. Every time. You're not sometimes going this way, sometimes you're going this way. You every time you just making sure that it's on point. Each angle is the same way. Each time, every time you brush. That's going to help. It's going to help you. It's going to help you avoid. It's going to help you avoid forks, and it's going to help your connections to come in clean. All right. Also, you want to comb too. You got to comb. Like I don't comb as much no more because my wave is pretty much set. My pattern is set. You know, I don't really need to comb as much no more. I comb like when I wash and stuff, but that's pretty much it. I don't really comb that much.
Right. I comb every day now.
Because my pattern is set. I had these waves for a long time, and my hair is really trained, so I don't need to comb. But for you guys, some of you guys probably need to comb a lot, so that'll help break forks and straighten out your waves too. But I know you hate cricket waves. Everybody hate cricket waves. Everybody want the waves that go straight. They want your waves and your connections to flow with the pattern, your crown, everything to be perfect, right? You gotta do that. So it's patience, consistency, and angles. Your angles. You gotta know your angles.
Big facts.
Alright, also another thing too, you wanna brush with the same type of brush. Alright, you wanna brush with the same type of brush, alright, like this. This is the type of brush I'm talking about. Alright. You see it's big like that with the long handle? Alright. You wanna use a hard, medium, soft like this. You don't wanna use a hard handle and then a medium club, then a soft oval, no handle brush. You don't want to do that. You feel me?
Right.
You want to brush with a hard, medium, soft with the same type of brush. You know, right? I just showed y'all a long handle. This is a club right here. You see how small that club is compared to this long handle? It's different. That means your angles is going to alter. Okay, this right here too. This is a Stein
square palm
softy. But the type of brush it is a squared palm brush. Excuse me, a squared palm brush. You know, it's not the same as these other ones though. You feel me? You want to have the same type of brush though. That way, every time you brushing, the bristles are hitting the same spot every time. It's not hitting. Okay, then for example, I'm trying to explain it to you guys.
For real.
I want y'all to know what I'm talking about though. For real, it's important though. Boom. I'm hitting this angle right here. Boom, boom, boom. As soon as I come with this brush right here, this is a palm brush. As soon as I hit with this brush, it's smaller, so it ain't gonna cover the same amount of surface that I was covering with the other brush. You feel me? So I'm coming down.
So that means you altering your angles.
It's not gonna cover more. It's not gonna hit the same spot basically. It's different. Y'all wanna do that, man. Y'all wanna use the same hard, medium, soft. Whether if you're using this type of brush or whatever type of brush, hard, medium, soft this one, hard, medium, soft this one, whatever. So that's basically what it is, man. Like I said, my woofing connection method.
All right, so that's pretty much it. I think I'm rambling for the last two minutes or whatever. But to sum it up all in one, so you guys could get it in your heads and make sure y'all know what I'm talking about. What's gonna make your waves, you know, straight? It's gonna help with better connections and everything. Pretty much is combing a lot. Combing at least once a day. Okay, using a mirror. Make sure your angles, your combing angles and your brushing angles are on point, okay? I didn't mention it in here, but woofing too as well. Woofing. That's another reason I like doing another video, like reactions to my own videos. That way it's something I missed, I can cover it up right now. Like I can cover what I messed up. You feel me? And let you guys know. Boom. So you feel me? So I'm letting you guys know as well, because I didn't cover that really in the video. Woofing too. It's gonna help with that. It's gonna help with that. It's gonna move forks. It's gonna straighten out your waves and all that. But the most important part is when you're woofing and all that, make sure you're using a hard brush after you comb right away. Use the hard brush. You want to get down to that first layer of hair. That way when you get a haircut, you're going to see progress. You're not just brushing on that top layer of hair when you're woofing. You're not just brushing that top layer of hair. You're brushing down to the bottom first layer of hair. So when you get a haircut, you're going to see progress, bro. You're going to see progress. Mirror, comb, hard brush, followed by a medium soft, plastic bag, rag up. That's it. Angles play a big part. Like I said, I'll leave a couple videos in the description box below so you guys can check out those videos. When I say my woofing definition method at the bottom, and also what was the other one I said? The 8-angle breakdown one, right? I said that. Did I say that? Yeah, that one too. I'll leave that one down below too, so you guys can check both of those videos out. Those will help you guys as well to become an elite waver and to help fix cricket waves and better your connections, man. 'Cause that's what we want. We want them elite waves. We want the waves to stand out. We want the things like this. Niggas looking at it like, damn, that nigga got ropes, bro. I get that all the time. You want it too, you feel me? With that being said, man, thank you guys for watching. I love doing reactions to my own videos. You know, also because it's helping other people out who haven't saw the videos. And plus, for the people who saw it, the OGs that saw it, the OG subscribers, the OG PB gang members that saw the video, they like it anyways, because they'd be like, oh, I remember this. Oh, I remember this PB. You know, man, this was a shy PB. You feel me? I didn't change, bro. When you be on the camera more and more and more, you get used to it. You know what I mean? So now I could just be me, open up, do what I want to do, man. But that being said, man, I'm out of here. Make sure you guys like the video, comment on the video right now. Make sure you guys share the video, please. Start liking the video more, please. Like, give me more likes. I need more likes. I deserve more likes. I mean, damn, at least a 1K a video. I deserve more likes, man. Everybody, like the video now, please. Every time I drop a video, like it, all right? Subscribe too as well. Thank you for watching. I love y'all. PB gang, you already know what it is, man. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah. Cut the camera, nigga.